Hi, today we're going to talk about some parts of your combine that can cause grain damage. Going to take a quick look at what to look for and the solutions that is available to you. It's very important to take a look at all the augers on your combines. The ones that are easy to reach and some others that we might not think of. Also check the elevators. The right adjustment and parts in good order can make a big difference. A worn auger is going to have a sharp edge which can cut the grain and break it. Elevator paddles that are worn are going to drop the grain, which can cause grain damage. The same is true with the chain. Broken, it can cause a vibration of the paddle, which is going to have the same effect. Lastly, the sprocket, when it's worn and the chain is not well adjusted, it can cause a gap in between both components. The grain can get caught in there, and it causes dust and broken grain that we don't want in the grain sample. Remember, whatever your problem, we always have a solution. I wish you a very good harvest season.